Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Got a nice little 2002 Porsche 911 Carrera. This is a 996 model. It's 58,500 miles. It's a local trade-in. Actually a guy that I know. And really just a nice, well-kept, older Porsche 911. It does have the manual transmission, which is a lot of fun. Exactly 2,000 miles ago, the IMS bearing was done, along with the clutch and all the associated gaskets and the oil and hand gasket and thermostat. Just a real nice big service. It was $6,500. So all of that has been done. I do have a stack of records. Shoot me an email. I'll be happy to share those with you. Pirelli P0 tires are like new condition. Very nice. The car drives very smooth, sounds great. It is a muffler delete car. It does have cats, just the mufflers have been deleted. I'll rev it up here in a second. I do have the factory mufflers. If you like those, we can get those put back on, but it sounds really good the way it is, I think. Overall, a very, very nice car, paint-wise. A couple little things like this little scuff here, nothing too major. Like a little mark right here. Actually, I might be able to buff that out. Come over here on the other side. There's a little scratch right here. Maybe this could probably buff out. This needs a little touch-up paint. Otherwise, very nice. The wing does go up and down. I have it up just for the pictures. No engine lights or anything like that. Normal wear and tear on these seats, but overall very good condition. Same with the door panels. There is a short shifter has been installed, so it's a nice short throw shifter. It's got the painted center console, which is great because on these cars that soft touch paint peels on all of them, so that's pretty nice. Headliner in great shape, Alcantara. All the lights are working and functioning. Let's see, get inside. See, no warning lights are on. We're at 58,495. AC works great. This is nice. The Continental Bluetooth radio has been installed. Looks factory, but it's fully Bluetooth, and it works great. We do have all the books, 3 keys. I've got the service manuals for this car as well. If you're a guy who likes to tinker, those are really expensive manuals. $800-900 for them. Give it a quick rev. You guys might want to hear. So it does sound very throaty. It sounds like a GT3 to be honest. But great car. Give us a call, text, email. We'll get back to you really quick. These headlights are nice and clear. Xenons. Most of these 996s, these are all yellowed out, foggy. It's a good indication this car was kept in the garage. Give us a subscribe here on YouTube. You can follow us for all the latest cars we're getting in. Watch the shorts as well. Follow us on Instagram, Rogers_motorcars. We can do deals long distance, and I can ship it to you anywhere in the country. Cash deals, finance deals, whatever we need to do to make a deal happen. I've got 5-star ratings, and I look forward to doing business with you soon.